Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's discussion, I need to properly introduce myself. My name is Chad Young. I'm one of the senior tax accountants here at Paycheck Plus. I've been here about 25 years and love it very much. So that's me in a really quick nutshell. So today I wanted to talk about specifically payroll. So obviously in our business, we've got multiple different streams of revenue, whether it's income taxes or bookkeeping or accounting. Paycheck Plus is a PEO, and then that's an acronym for Professional Employer Organization. So a PEO is a single source provider of services which enable small business owners to cost effectively outsource the admin of their payroll and work comp, human resources, employee benefits, development, and other things. So in other words, we will take out much of the headache of running the payroll part of your business. So when signing on with us, we become the employer of record. I'll explain that in a little bit, but the benefit created by this relationship is pretty simple, but yet vast. So all the matters concerning payroll taxes, whether that's federal, state, local, any of the regulatory issues relating to work comp or unemployment claims, garnishments, things like that, liens, they now become the responsibility of Paycheck Plus. So we maintain a strong relationship with our clients, primarily by keeping updated employee information on file and making sure that the company stays compliant with state and federal laws. So although we become the employer of record, you, the business owner, will still have control and continue to direct the employee's day-to-day activities. We just become an additional department of your company that handles the behind-the-scenes payroll tasks. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. Now let's just make it really simple. Okay, so basically when you run payroll, there's basically two ways to do that. Number one is what we call custom payroll, where all of the gross and payroll taxes and net, all the things that are tied to payroll are calculated and submitted and paid under the client's federal ID number. And that's all custom payroll, and we do that. But the other part of doing payroll under a PEO is the exact same things as before. You start with gross, you figure payroll taxes, you come up with the net, you might have work comp or benefits, but it's all handled and reported and submitted under our federal ID number rather than yours. And that's called PEO. And the biggest thing with PEO is the liability. So with payroll, there's a ton of liability. Things can go wrong. There's always documentation, rules, laws that need to be kept up with. And with PEO, all of that liability shifts to us. So the burden falls on us and not you. So that's really, in a nutshell, the simplest way to explain PEO payroll. Again, we handle all the liability, all the paperwork, paying the employees. We actually pay the employees and our clients just pay us back. We handle all the tax deposits, all the year-end tax returns, W-2s and other filings. So again, all of that liability that comes with payroll comes to us and not you. Again, filed under our federal ID number and not the client. So as you can imagine, there is a premium for PEO payroll. Again, primarily the work amount stays the same as custom payroll. But again, anytime you shift liability off of you and onto another company, there will be a premium that comes with that. And some small business owners are fine with that. They don't mind paying the premium if it takes it completely off their plate. And then there are others that are trying to watch every dollar counts. And so they decided to do it in-house rather than go the PEO route. And that's fine. Typically, small businesses evolve and get to the point to where the cash flow is better and they find that it makes worthwhile to switch to a PEO environment. Again, shifting that liability. So again, just to kind of wrap up, some of the top reasons to use a PEO, which is Paycheck Plus, is again, handle workers' compensation insurance. We take care of all your payroll and payroll administration needs. We do offer a wide range of benefits: insurance, health insurance, vision, dental, retirement, 401k, simple. All those things are dovetailed into payroll, and we manage that. We assist our clients with staying compliant with state and federal laws. Big one, we assume all the liability for employees concerning unemployment and paperwork, child support, garnishments, liens, all that comes to us. We handle all the audits for workers' compensation. We handle, again, all garnishments. Anything that comes in the mail, someone's trying to find an employee, it comes to us. And then finally, again, the year-end stuff. We prepare and remit all the tax filings, 941s, 940s. Here in Virginia, we call it the VEC, which is the Virginia unemployment. And then finally, W-2s. So again, hope that helps. Appreciate y'all watching. If there's any questions, leave the comments. And like always, we're trying to grow this channel. We love your support. Give us a like and a subscribe. Until next time, thanks so much.